Hey everyone, seeing a yellow light on your Verizon Fios router, I'll walk you through simple fixes to get your connections back up and running. Let's get started. Most yellow light issues are fixed by fully power cycling both the ONT and router in the correct order. If that doesn't work, try renewing the WAN settings via the router's web interface. Double check all cables and connections, especially if you recently unplugged anything. If you don't have access to the ONT, try restarting just the router and seek help if needed. Why does Verizon router yellow light issue occur? The light usually occur if there is an issue with the Verizon server. Fix 1. Check your Verizon server status. Confirm with Verizon if there is a network outage or maintenance issue before troubleshooting your router. Sign into your online account management site My Verizon to check for any service alerts. Select your service as data and enter your location. Fix 2. Power cycle the router. To power cycle the router, remove the power cable from the power jack on the router. Wait for about 5 to 10 minutes to allow the router to fully power down. Reinsert the power cable into the power jack on the router. Ensure the router cable is also plugged into a wall outlet to provide power to the router. If you are using fiber network, restart ONT device as well. Unplug the power from both the ONT optical network terminal, the Verizon box, where your fiber line enters your home, and your Verizon router. Wait at least 2 minutes. Plug power cable back into the ONT first. Wait for all the lights on the ONT to turn green and stabilize. Plug the power back into your router. Now, power on the router. Wait for your router to boot up and the light to stabilize. Check the router light. If the light turns white, your internet should be working. If it's still yellow, proceed to the next step. Fix 3. Try after some time. If your router is overheating, turn off the power and let it cool down and turn on. Ensure the router is placed in an area with sufficient airflow to prevent overheating. Fix 4. Inspect cables. Check all cables to ensure they are connected to the correct ports. Examine ports for loose cable or any damage. If cables are damaged or loose, reconnect them properly to resolve connectivity issues. If you are using Check the WAN port connection. Make sure the Internet cable from the ONT is securely plugged into the white WAN port on the back of your router. Check for flashing lights on the WAN port, which indicate a good connection. Fix 5. Reset your router. Locate the reset button on the back or bottom of the router. This is typically a small recessed button that requires a paperclip or similar tool to press. Press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds until the router's lights start flashing or the power LED changes color. This will perform a hard reset and restore the router to its factory default settings. Once the reset is complete, the router will restart and you can set it up again with your desired network name, password, and other configurations. Fix 6. Renew WAN settings via router login. If you have Wi-Fi router, renew the Wi-Fi settings to fix yellow light error. Connect a device to your router via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Open a web browser and go to http 192.168.1.1, the default router address. Log in with your router credentials, usually found on a sticker on the router. Find the WAN settings page, look for Internet or WAN in the menu. Click Renew or Release or Renew. To refresh your WAN IP address, wait a minute and check if the Internet come back. Fix 7. Contact Verizon support. For Verizon Internet and TV customer service, call 800-837-4966. Available Monday to Friday 8:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. EST. Live chat and other support options. Visit the Verizon Business Support website to explore additional content option including live chat. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to